Welcome back, friends. Today we will start chapter number 11, that is perimeter and area. Okay, we already learned some concept about perimeter and area in the previous standard. In 5th standard and 6th standard we also saw example to find the perimeter of rectangle and perimeter of square. Also we saw the example to find the perimeter of triangle. Okay, so today we will cover all concepts that we learned in previous standard. So what is a perimeter? Perimeter means it is an outer boundary. Whenever we consider some shape or some object, then outer boundary represents the perimeter. And what is the area? Area means it is a space occupied by the object. Okay, if you place one object on a flat surface and whatever space occupied by that object, that is its area. Okay, so what is the perimeter? Perimeter is the distance around the closed figure. If we consider a farm, then outer boundary of farm become its perimeter. So we learn equations to find the perimeter and area of a square and rectangle. So if we consider the square, then perimeter of square means sum of this all four sides. For example, this is x, so this is also x. Because we know that in a square all sides are same. So perimeter of square is x plus x plus x plus x, sum of all sides. How many times we add? It is 4 times. So we can consider 4 into side, that is the perimeter of square. This is the equation. Now perimeter of rectangle, if we consider this as a length and this as a breadth. So perimeter of rectangle will be sum of all sides, that is L plus B plus L plus B. 2 times L, 2 times B. So it is 2 common L plus B. So you need to remember two equations. Perimeter of square is 4 into side and perimeter of rectangle is 2 inside the bracket length plus breadth. Now next, area. Area is a part of plane occupied by the closed figure. Again, if we consider area of a square, then equation is what? That is 4 side multiplied side. And what is the area of rectangle? That is L into B. So you can consider length multiplied. Clear? So you need to remember two equations for an area. Area of square, side multiply side, area of rectangle, and multiply. Now let's revise some example that we already solved in the previous standard. First, find the perimeter and rectangle of a square with side 20 meter. So here we need to find the perimeter and area of a square. So equation is what? Perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side. So value of side is what? 20 meter. So multiply by 20, 80 meter. That is what? Perimeter. Now area of a square, side multiply side. So side is 20, that is given. So 400 meter square. This is a unit for a area, meter square. So area of a square is 20 multiplied 20, that is 400 meter square. Now next, find the area and perimeter of rectangle whose length is 20 meter and breadth is 10. So here we need to find the area and perimeter of rectangle. So perimeter of rectangle, what is the equation? Equation is 2 inside the bracket L plus B. Length is 20 and breadth is 10. 10 plus 20 is 30. So it is 60 meter. 2 will be in a multiply. So first we solve the bracket 10 plus 20, that is 30. 30 multiplied to 60 meter. Now area of rectangle, that is L multiplied. So length is 20, B is 10. So that is 200 meters square. Unit for area is meters. Now next one, find the area of a rectangle whose length is 5 cm and perimeter is 60 cm. Perimeter is given, length is given, and you need to find the area. But before, what is the equation for area? Area of rectangle is L into B. Means you need two values, length and breadth. But in a question, breadth is not given. So first of all, we will find the breadth from the perimeter. Okay. So perimeter of rectangle. Why we use equation for a perimeter of rectangle? Because in a question we need to find the area, but area's equation is L into B, but B is not given. That's why we use equation for perimeter to find the value of B. 2L plus B. Length is given 5 and B is not, but the perimeter is given 60, so we write 60 here. Now 2 that is in a multiplication become division. So that is 30 is equal to 5 plus B. Now 5 in the subtraction. So B we get 25. Now area of rectangle. It is 25 centimeter. L into B. So length is given 5. B we found 25. So it is 125 centimeters. Yeah, so this way we can find the area of rectangle. Now let's take some example that is given in your textbook. So here first, a door frame of dimensions 3 meter, 2 meter is fixed on a wall. 3 meter multiplied 2 meter, this length is 3 meter and breadth is 2 meter. Fixed on a wall of a dimension 10 meter and 10 meter. Means there is one wall and on wall one door is fixed. For example, if we consider this as a wall of 10 meter and 10 meter and door is of 3 meter and 2 meter. Find the total labor charge of painting the wall if labor charge for painting 1 meter square is of a wall is 2.50. So here we need to find the cost for painting this wall. But on a wall there is one door. So how can we find the money that we need to pay to paint the wall? Here first of all we will find the area of rectangle square, that is area of wall, and from that we need to subtract this area of door, because we are not going to color the door. Clear? So here we need to find first area of wall, and from that we need to subtract area of a door, and whatever area will remain we get the price for that. So let's find area of wall. Now you can see 10 meter and 10 meter. So that is 10 meter multiplied 10 meter, so it is 100 meter square. Area of wall is 100 meter square. Area of a door, wall is a square and door is a rectangle, because two units are different. So 3 meter multiplied 2 meter, that is 6 meters. So area of a wall for painting, how much area we need to paint for a wall? That is total area of a wall minus area of door. So that is 94 meters square. So this much area we need to paint. But here cost for 1 meter square is 2.50 rupees. So we can write cost for 1 meter square is 2.50 rupees. So cost for 94 meter square is how much? Multiply 2.5 with 94. So cost is 235 rupees to paint this wall. Here, how can we find this answer? Before, first we will find the area of wall, then we find the area of door. Because we don't need to color the door, that's why we need to subtract the area of a door from the area of a wall. So we get area for painting is 94 meters square. Now cost for 1 meter is 2.50. So cost for 94 is multiply 2.50 with 94. So you will get 235 rupees. Now next example. The area of rectangular sheet is 500 centimeter square. If the length of sheet is 25 centimeter, what is the width? Also find the perimeter of rectangle. This is same example that we saw. So here area of rectangle is given 500 centimeter square. So let's write area is given 500 centimeter square. Length is given 25 centimeter. And you need to find the width, or you can say breadth and perimeter. So first of all, from the area we will find the breadth. Area of rectangle is L multiplied B. Area is given 500. L is given 25 multiplied B. So B we can find by taking 25 in the denominator. So B is equal to 500 divide 25. That is 20 centimeter. Breadth is what? 20 centimeter. Now we have a value of breadth and length. So we can find the perimeter. 2 inside the bracket L plus B. So length is 25 and breadth is 20. So that is 45. 45 multiplied 2, that is 19 centimeter. Clear? So whatever information is given, we use that information to find the Anu. Now next one. Anu wants to fence the garden in the front of house on 3 sides with the length 20 meter, 12 meter and 12 meter. Find the cost of fencing at the rate of 150 meter. Now fencing means what? It is an outer boundary covering your garden with the boundaries. So here if we have a house here and garden is like this. So we need to only fence this 3 sides, not this side. So fencing means it is outer boundary, it is a perimeter. So perimeter of garden will be 20 plus 12 plus 12. So length needs to fence is equal to 20 plus 12 plus 12. So that is 44 meter. Now cost for 1 meter is 150 rupees. So cost for 44 meter is equal to how much? Multiply 44 with 50, 150. So it is 6,600 rupees when we multiply it with 150. Now example 4 of your textbook is a wire is in a shape of square of side 10 centimeter. If wire be bent into the rectangle of length 12 meter, find its breadth. Which enclose more area, the square or rectangle? So this is the example in which the wire is given that is in a shape of square. If we have a wire and that is bent into square. Now open this wire. After bending into square, again open the wire. So does it change its length? No, it does not change its length when we rebend into the square. It means perimeter of square and perimeter of rectangle will be same because the length of wire is same. Clear? So length of, if we take this wire and convert it into square, then the perimeter is same. If we take this wire and convert it into rectangle, then again the perimeter of same. Why? Because length of wire is same as the perimeter of rectangle and square. Because length. Clear? So here, first of all, we will find the perimeter of square to find the length of y. Here, side of square is 10 centimeter. So what will be the perimeter? It is addition of all sides. So perimeter of square will be equal to length of y. So what is the equation for a perimeter of square? That is 4 into side is equal to length of y. So what 4 multiplied 10, that is length of wire. So length of wire will be 40 centimeter. Now length of wire is given the perimeter of rectangle also, so we can write perimeter of rectangle is also 40 centimeters. But here we need to find the breadth of a rectangle. So what is the equation for a perimeter of rectangle? That is 2l plus b is equal to 40 centimeters. Take this 2 in a divide. Length is given 12 meter. Now 2 in a divide. So 12 plus b is equal to 40 divided 2 centimeter. So that is 20. 12 plus b is 20. So b is equal to 20 minus 12. So b is equal to 8 centimeter. So we get value of breadth 8 centimeter. Now next question is, which enclose more area? So here, area of square is equal to what? Side multiply side. In a square, it is 10 multiplied 10, that is 100 centimeters square. And area of rectangle, that is L multiplied. So here we found that length is given 12 and breadth is 8. So that is 96 centimeters square. Who enclose more area? Square enclose more area. So we can write square enclose more area. Okay. Here we can consider that length of wire is same. So that's why perimeter of square and perimeter of rectangle is same. But you can see when the perimeter is same, area is not same. So this can be asked for blank or MCQ, that if the perimeter of rectangle is same, then area of square and rectangle is same or different. So it is different. Clear? Now next example 5. The area of a square and a rectangle is equal. So first statement is what? Area of a square and rectangle is equal. So we can write area of a square is equal to area of rectangle. Okay, this is the first statement. If the side of a square is 40 centimeter and breadth of a rectangle is 25, side of a square is given and breadth of rectangle is given. So let's find the length. Find the length of the rectangle because it is not given. So area of a square is side multiply side. This is the equation for the area of a square. Area of a rectangle is length multiplied. Side is given 40. Length we need to find and breadth is given 25. So to find the length, take 25 and divide. So length will be 64 centimeter. Clear? Now next, also find the perimeter of rectangle. So perimeter of rectangle is 2 inside the bracket L plus B. Length we found 64. Breadth is given 25. So it is 89, 178 centimeter. How can we solve this example? From the first statement, area of a square is equal to area of rectangle. So what is the equation for area of a square? Side multiply side, and area of rectangle is L multiply B. We write the values that is given in the equation. Side is equal to 40 multiply 40 and breadth is given 25. So take 25 and divide. So we get length is equal to 64. And if we have a value of length and breadth, we can find the perimeter by using equation 2 inside the bracket L plus B. Write the values and multiply, you will get 178 centimeter. That is perimeter of